Work is changing faster than ever, and in 2026, the way we work, where we work, and even what work means is being redefined. In this video, I count down the 7 workplace trends that everyone needs to be ready for. At number 7, soft retirement. Retirement is no longer a hard stop. With people living healthier lives and more freelance options, many are choosing to gradually step back into advisory or part-time roles. For businesses, this means retaining experience while giving younger employees valuable mentors. Number 6, employee experience. Just as companies have focused on customer experience, they are now applying the same rigor to employees. From recruitment to commuting, organizations are redesigning every touch point to reduce friction and attract top talent. Done well, it actually improves retention and performance. At number 5, AI and data-driven people management. Annual reviews are being replaced by real-time analytics. AI can spot patterns in performance and engagement, but companies must balance efficiency with fairness and transparency. The businesses that get this right will make better HR decisions. Number 4, human-centric skills. As automation grows, skills like empathy, creativity, collaboration, and leadership are becoming more and more valuable. These are the abilities machines can't easily replicate, and it's those skills that will set you apart in a tech-driven workplace. At number 3, the changing jobs landscape. Entry-level admin and clerical jobs are shrinking, while areas like nursing, education, and construction are growing. Workers and graduates must plan careers with these shifts in mind. Reskilling and adaptability will be absolutely essential. Number 2, workplaces as connected ecosystems. Hybrid work is here to stay, and companies are creating seamless experiences across office, homes, and co-working spaces, and even virtual environments. The goal is to connect people wherever they are and tap into a global talent pool. And the number 1 workplace trend for 2026, AI workflows. Instead of adding AI as a plug-in, businesses are building entire processes around it. Imagine supply chains that automatically reconfigure to avoid disruptions, or factories that instantly adjust to customer demand. This is AI not as a helper, but as the foundation of how work gets done. So, whether you're leading a company or shaping your own career, these trends will define the workplace in 2026. The question is, how ready are you to adapt?